Today in the livestock market, cattle did make some new lows. Those traders are worried about the cash trade will decline even further. Any follow through selling will really pressure the futures. And right now, there just isn't enough demand or anything to kind of move this market around. The CVAL has moved up to 16%, and that just is taking in the fact that the market has really moved lower over the last number of sessions. Feeders did rebound though. That corn sell-off a little bit today lifted the futures. It's mainly technical support here and some short covering, but we're watching closely. You know that we're going to need demand to keep the livestock rolling, and as the inflation numbers keep like flashing in the news, perhaps that's having an impact, kind of stalling out some of these markets. So we need to have a little bit more movement, or maybe some numbers that might help give us direction for the market. But right now, we're really struggling to find some support in the beef market, even though feeders did have somewhat of a rebound. Now, hogs did bounce back as well. That oversold conditions did bring in buyers. It's technically kind of a strong move that brought in the futures back above that $100 mark. So we're still holding there, and but it still kind of remains vulnerable. I mean, we had some steady momentum coming down from the highs at 127. So now that we're teetering around that $100 mark, it is, fundamentally, it seems that the market is still relatively bullish, but the futures are just not able to find enough buyers to hold this market steady. So that being said, even though we did get a little bit of bounce back today, it's going to remain to be seen what happens on Monday. If we get any more follow through buying, and if this becomes a support level, or is it just a stopping point for the market to move lower? So that's going to be something to watch come Monday. The CVAL for the lean hog market is 34%, so that's still pretty strong. That's expecting that there's still going to be plenty of volatility ahead.